Hi, it's Solar once again, and in this video, we're gonna be unboxing the Vestwood lithium iron phosphate 5.12 kilowatt hour battery. Here we have the battery templates to mount it on the wall, and we also have the user manual or the battery kit, where you have the S cable for the battery to battery S connection. We have the user manual, and also we have the expansion cable kit. We have the warranty card, which is useless in Nigeria. We have data sheet of the battery showing the dimension and every other thing. And next we have the expansion kits, which expansion screws and the zip tie clips and audio 45 cable kits that actually allows you to block off ports on the battery that won't be used, just to prevent dust from entering into those ports. Here we have the power button, and the battery takes roughly around 3 seconds to boot up. And you have the light switch turns on the screen. You have the SOC and you have the run. You also have the battery terminals. Here is the display screen of the battery. Here you can see we have 52.7 as a battery voltage. We also have 0 amps going in equivalent of the battery. We have a 24 degrees centigrade, and we have our ISL being 3.298 volts as the ISL, which is cell 8. Also, we have our lowest cell being cell 1 being 3.295 volts. Again, we see how the cell 8 being the highest, and still cell 1 and cell 11 being the lowest. And next we have the temperature of the ISL, which is 24 degrees, which is still fair enough room temperature. Also, we have the lowest cell, which is cell 1 being 24 degrees. And we have our battery capacity being 100 amp hour. Below there we have the ingredient thing being the charge. We have the charge, we have the, if you can look carefully, you have the charge, we have the amp hour, you have the run. Those are the little things that are actually went into the screen of the battery cell, and this allows you to know how the battery operates and work. And that's the light of the battery, and that's turned back on the button. It's turned on and off until the up and down to navigate through the options of the battery. So this button just tells you the basic scrolling option for the battery itself, and that's it.